Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on Jericho TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when you see our program, for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost start with tonight's show. Alright, so Arsenal don't play the match they play against Atletico Bilbao for the Emirates Stadium, which is the Emirates Cup game. So Arteta can't do a press conference. Now, I be the wait make I see whether Arsenal will put out the transcript of that press conference, but it never really come outside. So maybe not tomorrow I will really go into them, but I don't watch the press conference. So I pick some key things. Yes. Why they like the transcript now so that you will get everything verbatim. You get, so I don't jot some things that I want to talk about. Now, first one. Now, when Arteta they talk about Victor Gyökeres, we call the type people say Gyökeres is very, very bad. As in, Arteta get 100% belief say the guy will be a success because if you leave him 1v1, he will destroy you. Yes, Arteta said this evening. Say if you leave Gyökeres 1v1 with anybody, he will destroy you. The London Evening Standard even carried this report. They say Mikel Arteta sends destroy you warning to Liverpool and Man City. You know, mention Liverpool and Man City, but I then go put on there. So Mikel Arteta has won that Premier League rivals that new signing with Gyökeres will destroy them if they let him. The 64 million recruit from Swansea. Now, this was what Arteta said. He's a player that when you leave him with the space, one against one, he's going to destroy you. You know, Man City there, so I don't know why they want to drag Man City into that thing. Many people don't fly with this particular narrative. If you're curious, if you leave him 1v1, it's going to destroy you. Yes, nobody say I think that they can talk or whatever. It is true. But what we see today, the guy be like bulldozer, as in 1v1, he go lick anybody like a pot of soup. That's why they like to follow wings. I'm Martinelli wing. They give a ball, go cut, face the defender. You get one guy when cuts like this, so the guy just laid down like waiting and no, like just slide goal. We'll still come to that one. Now, talking about the game proper. You see this match we Arsenal played today, it gave me joy, not just me. It gave thousands of Arsenal fans joy because if you listen to the morning show, not just the morning show, if you listen to the shows what I don't do before this today, I talk and say we need to build momentum. People shall also accept concur. We needed a good showing to give us that hope, that belief, that courage. Say, come 17th of August against Manchester United, we go display. We know they go Old Trafford to fear. If to say maybe these people will play now, Atletico Bilbao beat us, fear go enter our body based on what the unforeseen. What we don't know what will happen on that day. But based on what we do today, we play the first 11. Only that match to scare the way they come out. So people they say, but for like to see the guy, but that one said need rest. Yes. And Calafuri said never really play much for this preseason. That's why Arteta drops. I mean, look at Magalhaes. Magalhaes like 60 minutes come out. Mosquera enter. Mosquera said very, very composed. People they forget say Mosquera they play senior man football for a very long while. Now they play for Valencia. So nobody say this one they used to competitive game. They follow the Mbappe, they drag, they follow people they play. So nobody knew something for them. And better we identify and know what you don't see. Get the guy to Zia. You don't say this one, the quality plenty. Now Saliba is to power to be that. If you want place, he will give you what Agbara he will give you. You get, although you see the smally upcoming, he they learn the ropes from the likes of Saliba and Magalhaes. And he can play anywhere across the back line. He can replace Saliba. He can replace Magalhaes. He can replace Timber. He can replace White. Anywhere he wants. Now another Timber is to power to be that in terms of versatility. So who I go call, who I no go call. Saka had a great game. Although when the game first starts, Saka won't come back and say this selfish. Martinelli, normal. At some point, he was selfish, but that experiment, so I tell you, say, I won't see Martinelli, Gyökeres, Bukayo Saka. Yes, Martinelli has a lot of pace. We will need that injection of pace. But the end result from that pace, now be waiting we know the see. Which was why when Nonibadi enter, the few times when he still play, we saw that natural left footer crossing. That's what Saka they do. Putting the crosses, square play. Madek go fit easily do because now left in the play. So go, you know, Martinelli we go need to cut to use rights. You get, so now another thing where we dey see Odegaard. Yes, he tried, he did very well. And don't mind you, we played a different setup today, 4-2-3-1, which is not our primary formation. But from the look of things, it be like now what we will deploy against Manchester United. Why? Because it even help us defensively, because now we have two people protecting the back four. And this 4-2-3-1, now what we will see, if we hold ball, we don't really know whether we collapse our shape into something else. But why I like him at the fact, say, Odegaard dey for central, you get. Odegaard dey directly behind Gyökeres. Those direct through balls, middle through balls, we want to be seeing more of that. Not be every month you don't go win, every month you don't go win. Now we are seeing balls going through the middle, all road. Madueke dey feed Gyökeres, Saka dey feed am, Zubimendi dey feed am, Rice dey feed am, Odegaard dey feed. That's what we want. So I dey very, very happy. In fact, when you see, because this information I was telling you about, because Mr. I carry the picture come, you see how it be say Odegaard dey directly been like behind Gyökeres, so that he go dey give am everything wey he require. Now, when you look how this match take unfold, many people come to talk about Victor Gyökeres, almost all the media, everybody, Twitter catch fire now. In the wine, we don't win the Emirates Cup. ESPN, Victor Gyökeres scores first goal as Arsenal beats Atletico Club. Talk Sports, Victor Gyökeres proves his doubt as wrong with brilliant opening goal for Arsenal as Gunners run riot to win the Emirates Cup. You know the scorehead, no be head, you score today. No be head. See Kai Havertz sure say he still dey body, he gets. Are they happy saying he enter self in score? To let Gyökeres know say, oh man, I mean and you we pressure ourselves, which is very, very good. That is a very healthy competition. Look at goal.com. Victor Gyökeres is up and running. Arsenal striker scores first Gunners goal in pre-season clash with Atletico Club as Mikel Arteta's side end comfortable win in final tune-up before. See, why are they happy to say the pressure of when will you score the first goal? When will you score the first goal? That pressure is gone. Gyökeres don't score. That pressure is gone. So make it just continue. Not be like I have at all with the wait till donkey years or compete for a carry penalty. Give them on the platter of gold. No, this one they work hard. You get. That's why I did very, very happy with the way everything did turn out. Even at some points, Transfer News Live when they ask, how many times will we see this celebration at the Emirates Stadium? Because when Gyökeres score, a company like maybe no one do the celebration, but later I come outside do the celebration because I don't see many Arsenal fans say they don't already do the celebration. Now this part I talk about, we dream with the guy, I caught and the guy smile like I can't remember the Lord is my shepherd I shall not want. Oh man, he allowed me to lay down in green pastures. The guy will go fear, I say confirm. And I never see anything. Now we got sharp striker. I just be very happy. See this picture make on the trend. And Berta and Arteta. Nobody know what it Berta and Arteta because Berta know say many people they will say their job now lip readers than they do. So you know go on me and hear what's it. But me personally, I don't say what's it with Arteta. You see the boy will buy for you. You see anything my guy they do. You see anything they do for you. You never see anything. In fact, this is introduction. And that film just won't start. We not see Arteta face, but I feel say Arteta go dey laugh. And if you remember that time you say Arteta dey look Gyökeres, that picture we trend that year. Arteta dey look Gyökeres like they look am. Now this what happened today night they imagine. Say how I wish I had this striker last season or last 2 seasons. Well, nobody Gyökeres so make us happy. So we meant to say make us happy, but more come to waiting Piers Morgan. Piers Morgan say scintillating first half by Arsenal, Zubimendi pouring in midfield, Gyökeres brilliantly leading the line. The rest of the team looks fit and raring, especially Bukayo Saka. I'm now very excited about this season. We look fantastic. You see why I was saying we needed to give a good showing so that we will build momentum and give the fans belief ahead of the new season. You get very, very key. In fact, if you watch the pre-match analysis, I was even of the opinion say we need to score 4. So if they say we win 1-0, I'm not even happy because we needed to win, not just win. But win well, win convincingly. You get, and at the end of the day, they actually did it, which is why myself I did very, very happy. Now, even Fabrizio Romano have come to talk about Zubimendi because himself now delivered the assist to Gyökeres to take score. Look at Zubimendi now. Who go talk saying no good? All those when they say we got mixed from party because Zubimendi is a shit packer. He's a check. How How far? Class is permanent. Form is temporary. Zubimendi, you no go acclimatize to the league. You no go play for the EPL. Baba, you see the synergy and understanding between Zubimendi and Rice? They don't play before. You see that understanding? They know they buy them for markets. Now, part of the relationship we Arteta won't build, the team bonding. You see this 4-2-3-1? That formation makes sense. It's tight. That formation, you go where, you go where, you go where, you go where. Yeah, so I just hope they will give us the extra players who they ask for, because I'm very, very happy. Even my Tuchel himself, we not already play 90 minutes. Some talk say, oh man, play the way the team they don't have a body. I feel like I'm in the best shape I've ever been. Fine. I'm not saying you feel like this, but not allow overconfidence kill you. Many people don't they complain about this my Tuchel. It don't be like saying what they do like over Sabi now. When he go release ball, he go want drive, he go want dribble, he go want do too much. It's the key, over ski. The key. You get. Don't let everybody come know you, especially the over Sabi. You don't be messy. You get. Pass ball, release ball. Know when not to do too much. When I even notice what happened today, Calafiori made Martinelli play better. Unlike when Martinelli they play with my Tuchel for that wing. I don't know how to observe that thing. I would have made over observe, or maybe I made over kaku for my head. Say Martinelli with Calafiori, if they go well than Martinelli with Skelly. You know that on a observer you get. But when I let me know on thoughts for the comment section. If you're not observer, fine. That one save day. Now, regarding Trossard, so for the press conference Arteta called the talk say Trossard really gets more problem, because I been think before say maybe not because of transfer, make them rest him, but Arteta saying get growing problem. So that's why he not really involved much. He not really involved at all. Yeah, so but he go dey fine before we play Manchester United. Now, they call it ask Arteta whether would they expect new faces, like new signings. So you can say, let's see what happens in terms of where the squad is in the next few weeks. We are actively looking at options, as well as there are a few players who are supposed to leave, like we expect them to leave. So we'll be open to see what happens. Yes. So people like Trossard, we expect them to leave. But the observer artists will go. Now, they only ask Arteta about Rice and Zubimendi, because we observed today match, two of them they interchange their roles. Zubimendi will go forward, Rice will stay back, Rice will go forward. Like don't over understand themselves. You get. So Arteta going to say, especially with the qualities that they have and the way that they complement each other. So another evolution on that today, and something we'll learn, and something the team can really benefit from, to be much more unpredictable and to be more of a threat. Yes, so that one said it makes sense. I did very, very happy in that aspect. Now, away from that, Arteta when they talk about Gyökeres and Kai Havertz, so they laugh and say, "Oh, coach, this one is a longer two strikers now. We will say two of them busted today. Now headache this one be who you go call choose now? Who you not go choose?" So Arteta call they say, "See, even these two players one and see, they can play together. You get some games we will get now. They go play together. If you see Kai Havertz on midfield, if you run 4-4-2, you get different ways. Go runner, you get. They can play together. He elevates the quality in the squad, the goal threat in the team, and options we have to change and provide opposition with a lot of problems. It's great to see both of them scoring. It's a good problem to have at the end of the day. And Mr. Bade happy. This is the squad depth. If you hear squad depth, this is the definition of squad depth. With the quality of players we have now, at the end of the day, maximum kudos. We have to give Berta his flowers. Everybody will Berta buy. Quality. Men. See Mosquera. How much be Mosquera? The quality, like the ooze for everybody. See, Martin Zubimendi. You cannot deny that Zubimendi is 100% quality. If you don't know too tall, but the guy is still like a still ball. The guy good. So I just like I'm happy. I'm just very, very happy. Now for Max Doman, where people say they don't see him. I don't forget to say Aston don't announce before saying we'll go on holiday. And they also talk again, say yes, for the next few weeks, you know, go there available. Because they don't ask us to make him go rest, make him go on vacation, make him go rest. So that one said now, Eddie Howe, they said play pre-season friendly against Atletico Madrid. When they watch the match, Atletico will beat them 2-0, so I'm not going to know what to end the match. But after the game, they're going to ask him about Isaac. Whether he go persuade Isaac to stay. He say, if he did that easy, I put on run since now. I put not even do it yesterday. You get. They come they ask him, say, she whether not true. Say when I don't tell Isaac, say they go anywhere. He say, well, say me, I know they are well, I don't know because not be me, they do the transfer discussion again. So I have no knowledge of that. So I think that their own sporting director go fit explain. Make I no lie for you. Even if he no go one talk. He no go one confirm. I see the way he put that he no confirm and he no debunk. You get just the in between to keep you in limbo. But I want to tell you for free. If say na lie, he go debunk and right away. If say na lie, he go debunk and say, where do you hear that from? You know, during the transfer window, a lot of people push out some narratives, propaganda, and lies there and there. Me, I believe say that's not true. In fact, I want it to be true. Oh my God. All right, away from that, when you get this report from Give Me Sports that Thomas Frank has gotten the green light. You get from Crystal Palace to hijack Arsenal is a deal. When I see this report, I just laugh. But at the end of the day, I can't see another report from the London Evening Standard. Say Tottenham Hotspur they weigh court price of El Canus when they play for Leicester. You get, don't say they don't go on relegation. In fact, I don't even know say this guy still there, but he say they don't sign this Bilal El Canus. You get this number 10. So them they feel say okay, they feel go carry the guy. So what did they make them CAZ? But one can go to discuss for El Canus. Number one, Canus is cheaper. Number two, it could be that Eze don't tell them say Arsenal or nothing. You get, so that was FD. But nobody go really can't tell us now. But we'll just watch. We still get time. Yes, we'll just watch. Like Arteta said, some people guys go. Then when they go, we can't look what we go do for the market. Time still they small. It gets. But maybe they make sure say they run and get because nobody know what will happen at the end of the day. Whether injury will come in, so we need to be very very prepared. Now let's bring a message from one of our sponsors, Mobile Water Associates and Co Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 80646422 34, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwa Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. All right, so my dear, ask all about the biggest news of the night. Number 5, say Mikel Arteta. They tell everybody, say, if you leave Joke this 1v1, he go destroy you. He go lick you like 2 pots of soup. And that's what it's supposed to be. That's what strikers supposed to be. Next season is going to be a banger. All right, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. I come your way tomorrow morning to give you the money news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of the night. Now, good night. And then I'll get out. All right, guys. Ciao. Damn. I'm so excited.